What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a Gemini Jets unboxing. As you can see here, if you do want to see this awesome model, keep watching till the very end. And if you do enjoy, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. But without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. As you can see, this is a pretty big box. I'm not entirely sure what's in it, to be truthfully honest with you, because sometimes Easy Toys puts this and puts one model in a huge box, and it's the most pointless thing ever. But yeah, as I try to open this box, I will get back to you once it's open.
A few moments later.
Alright, as you can see, we've finally got the box open after a long struggle. And yeah, let's see what we have. Some normal packaging paper, and then here is the aircraft right here. So yeah, this is only one model, as I thought. For some reason it's supposed to come with a few other ones, but that is totally okay. Okay, here is the model. As you can see here, we picked up one of the new releases, which is the United 777-200 in the new livery. Alright, here we have the gorgeous model. Keep watching and I will show you the actual model. But first we're going to go over the box really quick. Here you have your Gemini Jets logo, made for collectors by collectors, and then your computer generated aircraft, which is the United 777-200, which looks extremely beautiful. Then you have your Boeing 777-200 with the United logos and the 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. Here are some facts about the Boeing 777-200. If you'd like, you can pause and read some facts about it. It gives a brief paragraph about the aircraft and some other facts down below. And then as you can see here, we have our aircraft lying on the inside of the box with the clear covering. It's like the look inside tab, as you can see right there. But we'll just do a little more stuff on the box and then get straight into the actual aircraft. So starting here, we have the Gemini Jets logo, then 1/400 scale die-cast model, and then it lists some facts about the aircraft: highly collectible, superior quality, realistic metal landing gear, and some good stuff like that. And then right here we have the Gemini Jets logo, 1/400 scale die-cast model. So this aircraft is 1/400 scale indeed, as most of the other models on this channel. Then you have the computer generated aircraft, Boeing 777-200 TM, which is trademark logo, and then adult collectible model. And then this is the same as the other side. So let's get straight into the model. This model is actually so heavy that when I first picked it up, or picked the box up with this inside of it, I thought it was like a few aircrafts because of how heavy it is. But I do have a bunch of new Gemini Jets and NG models on the way, so that is very exciting. But without further ado, let's get into the this model here. So I'll try to get it open. I usually end up tearing these boxes because it's so hard to actually open. Alright, and then you can see here, that's where the aircraft is. You just pull this out right here, and then we are done with the box. And then here is the aircraft. Alright, here we have the box. As you can see, the aircraft is sitting inside. It does look like an extremely gorgeous model from this point of view. Usually the covering just pops straight off, just like that. And we'll put this aside for now. Then there's a little plastic covering on the top. This is used for protection. And then you have the actual aircraft right here. And then you have another plastic covering to protect the landing gear. And anyway, let's get straight into the actual review. Here is the model. It is the extremely gorgeous United 777-200LR. As you can see, it is in the new livery. You have your blue tail, your blue engines, and your blue title right there. So yeah, very gorgeous model, but let's get into the review. This is going to be a little more zoomed in than usual because I really want to show the detail on this aircraft. But anyway, starting off at the front, we have our windows right here. Then we have our Star Alliance logo, which you can see right there, as well as the first landing gear, or the L1 landing gear. And then we have the titles right here, which say, I believe, I'll probably put a picture up right now, but it'll say uniting the world, or connecting the world, uniting it, or something like that. But anyway, the door right here, as well as the first landing gear, our front landing gear right here, as well as the landing gear shaft right there. Then you have a few windows. This would be all of first class right here. Then you have your all blue United logo, as well as a beacon light right here, which you cannot see. Then you have a Wi-Fi box, as well as another antenna right here. Then you have your L2 door. This would be used for premium economy and economy, which would be from this point all the way to the back. Then you have your very gorgeous blue engines, as well as the landing lights right here. And we'll scoot the aircraft forward a little bit more. Right there should be good. Then you have your all gray wings, which I will give you a overview at the end of the video to show the top, which gives extremely good detail. But anyway, very glossy wings right here, as well as the landing gear down here, which is 3 times 2, which is 6 times 2, so 12 wheels for the back landing gear. Then you have a few more windows going by. This would be pretty much from here to here be premium economy, and then from here all the way back would probably be economy. From the last time I looked at a seat map, that's what it was like on United. Then you have another door right here, and then I'll scoot it forward to get the very end, something like that, and then I will show the tail because that always has very good detail. You have a antenna right here, as well as another antenna right here. Then you have a registration, which I cannot read. Actually, let me look at the box really quick.
One eternity later.
Okay, the registration is N210UA. So very nice registration. I don't really know how to describe registration. And then you have your blue line, which goes across the entire aircraft. Originally, this line came from the Dreamliner. It was an all gold line, obviously their old livery. And they put it on the Dreamliner and the Max 9s. And then they decided to put it on every single aircraft in the new livery, which they did even do with their regionals. But anyway, here's the last door, which they do not use for boarding typically. They use it for catering. Then you have your horizontal stabilizers right here. Let me just move it forward a little bit more actually, and then let me move it up for you guys. There we go, sorry for that. And then you have your gorgeous tail, which is the United Globe, and then you have the tint on the aircraft. It goes from a really dark blue to a little bit lighter, then a little bit lighter. I don't think my camera does the justice, but in real life you can actually see the 3 different layers of blue. Then obviously, as I mentioned, here's your horizontal stabilizers in the back. So yeah, that is the aircraft. As promised, here we have an overview of the aircraft. You can see a lot of detail, as I mentioned, such as the Wi-Fi box, a few antennas right here, and then the glossy gray wings, as well as the very blue engines right here, and then some sort of marking right here, and then the beacon light right there. So yeah, this does have a very good amount of detail, and I like to give that to Gemini Jets for trying pretty hard on this aircraft, and it does look extremely good. As for the bottom of the aircraft, there's not really a whole lot here. You do have your light, I'd say it's more of a tan color than a white. Then you have your engine, landing gear, and the Gemini Jets logo and the stand hole right there. And a few cargo doors right there, some sort of light right there, or dirt, yeah, it's a light. And then your horizontal stabilizers right there, so nothing too special for the bottom of the aircraft. I would like to thank you guys so much for coming to this newest video of mine. As you can see, we have this extremely gorgeous model right here and a very good detailed box right there. I would give this model a 10 out of 10. It does have very good detail. My one complaint would be right here. The engine's tilted a little bit upward for some reason, but that doesn't really bother me at all. And you guys will see this model in my Denver airport updates and my Honolulu airport updates. Also, some news. So some news, as I was mentioning, I will be coming up with a few more airports, as you guys may have saw on my Instagram, which make sure you go follow it. It is MileHigh_Aviation. I did scrap Colorado Springs, so basically I got rid of the airport, or I got rid of the board. The airport might be coming back, but I was not happy with the way the board was. It was plywood, so it was kind of iffy and just not smoothed out as I wanted it. So I will be coming up with some new airports. I plan on doing some seasonal airports. For example, there's an airport in Colorado called Montrose, and during the summer season, or excuse me, during the winter season, they get a ton of aircrafts. They get like JetBlue, Southwest, all this stuff. And then during the summer season, they only get United Express and American. So I figured I'd start doing some seasonal airports, which I think would be pretty cool. And then I'll find some summer seasonal airport to do as well. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I will be flying the United 777-200 to Honolulu in March. Hopefully the virus clears up so I'm able to do that, because right now you have to quarantine. But anyway, I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching my newest video. If you did enjoy, I hope you consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel to see more aviation content that I'll be releasing. And I will see you guys in the next video, which should be an airport update. Peace out.